Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating and signing into your Tradingview account so settings persist across devices. Once done, open a new chart and immediately choose the market and time frame you plan to use, for example 1H for swing ideas. Make sure the watch list panel is visible and add key tickers. This speeds navigation. Save the layout as a workspace name you'll remember. That way, when you return, your chart, indicators, and watch list reload exactly as you set them. Next, you'll build the tools you use every session. Add core indicators like RSI, moving averages, and volume and tweak lengths and color contrast so signals stand out. Once indicators are placed, use drawing tools to mark trend lines, support/resistance, and a Fibonacci retracement for structure. Configure crosshair behavior and switch chart themes for clarity in different lighting. Finally, set alert conditions on price or indicators so you're notified. This preserves your edge without watching. To finish, save your indicator and layout templates so setting up a new chart takes seconds. Link multiple charts and enable sync options for symbols, crosshairs, and timeframes to analyze across views. Test alerts using a demo or a closely watched ticker to confirm delivery. If you run into problems, for example, slow loading or missing drawings, clear the browser cache, disable heavy indicators, or lower the time frame. These steps typically resolve performance issues and get you back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.